The first documented information system is, of course, the system set up by Sher Shah Suri, which was based on messengers on horseback who ride across India, and that was how the Grand Trunk Road, it was Grand Road, now it's called the Grand Trunk Road, which was connecting Dhaka to Peshawar, was built.
It was Lord Clive who had set up the groundwork for the British postal system in India. Actually, with the advent of the Britishers in India and the East India Company, they wanted a reliable postal system whereby they could communicate amongst each other. The dark system actually started with that, the mail carrier system, but it was meant solely for the company officials, for the official communication, and it was not thrown open to the public.
The first stamps released in India and Asia were by a provincial commissioner, what we would call district collector, Bartle Frere, in the district of Sindh, which was a part of Bombay Presidency. And he felt that if he saw the labels coming from, the stamps coming from Great Britain, and he said, why can't we have something like this in India? So he introduced the stamps which are now called Sindocs, and they are in white, blue and red color. The red was more like a vaccine, and that is why it's often found cracked. And these three are called the aristocrats of Indian philately.
This is originally printed in Junagadh state. This is printed in Nasik. The Nawab of Saurashtra picked up the postal service 2 years after the postage stamps were introduced in India. And Saurashtra was the first, Saurashtra means Junagadh was the first state to issue to start its postal service in the country. Later on, other states followed slowly like that. And later on, they started with their own stamps. Now, Bhavnagar stamp sent to Junagadh. This is a revenue stamp, but it was sent to Junagadh and used as a postage after overprinting it.
Indian stamps were used in numerous places all over the world. But regularly they were used, let us say, in Abyssinia, Ethiopia, British Somaliland, Zanzibar, then Persian Gulf, these Arab countries, Dubai, etc., Iraq. Then again they were used in Afghanistan, Nepal, Tibet, Burma, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. This is from Rangoon. This is a cover which itself is very difficult to get. This is an airmail cover, special airmail cover of George V period, where the rate was reduced from 8 annas to 7.5 annas and was overprinted. So the overprinted cover is difficult.
বেশিরভাগ অফিসে ওয়ান ম্যান অফিস আছে, ফলে তাকে তিনটে কাজ একজনকেই করতে হয়। চিঠি বিলি করা, তারপরে আপনার ব্যাগ বয়া এবং পোস্ট অফিসের যে ডাক ছাড়া, মানে পোস্ট অফিসের যা কাজ সমস্ত এগুলো করতে হয়।
আমি রানারের কাজ করি। এই বুড়াবুড়ির তট অফিস থাকতে নিয়ে সীতারামপুর অফিসে দিই, ওখান থেকে মেল ব্যাগ নিয়ে আবার ইন্দ্রপুরে যাই, আবার ওইখানে দুটো ব্যাগ নিয়ে আবার সীতারামপুরে অফিসে যাই, আবার সীতারামপুর অফিসে ব্যাগ দিয়ে আবার বুড়াবুড়ির তট অফিসে ব্যাগ নিয়ে আসি। ও 7 কিলোমিটার, 7 আর 7 যাওয়া আসায় 14 কিলোমিটার হয়ে যায়।
First parachute delivery, 1934. This was delivered in Dum Dum. So it was just a commodity flight, balloon observation flight. Pigeon craft. And address was Clifford S. Fish, one of the senior most aerophilites in the country.